Welcome back to the channel, KnucklesTV. Knuckles coming at you. Well, today, kinfolk, we're gonna go ahead and get out here and get this done, man. I haven't been able to get on a motovlog in a little while, man, but I'm gonna do it, man. I'm gonna do it just for y'all because I'm tired of old Blue sitting in the garage not doing having any action, man. So even though it's out here raining, it looks like crap, I'm still gonna do it for y'all, kinfolk. Still gonna do it for y'all because I love you guys, man, and this is what it's all about. So let's go ahead and jump on old Blue and get started.
We now interrupt your regular scheduled broadcast to bring you your breaking.
Going live in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Thank you for joining me on KnucklesTV. My name is Mello and I'm going to be bringing you the latest breaking news. We will be talking about the ride to Salina, Kansas, taking place on April 7th, 2018. Hosted by Fatboy R6, Road King Jonesy, Six Pinned, MLC Rider, Cincy Moto, and KnucklesTV. One moment. Okay. We have word that Holler Moto and Hello Mello will also be in attendance. Let's switch over to Bubba, who is currently in Kansas with the current weather.
Hey ES, can you hand me a jacket? Have y'all heard anything yet on them?
No.
Thank you, Bubba. I believe we have some technical difficulties. Let's continue. We'll be leaving on Friday, April 6th, and the evacuation route is as follows. You can find a link to the printable map for your reference down in the description. The official meetup will be on Saturday, April 7th, meeting at 10 a.m. at Advanced Motorsports, and kickstands up at 10:30 a.m. A meet and greet will take place at the same location at 2 p.m. and a guided ride at 4 p.m. All of the information discussed on this segment will be listed in the description below for your reference. Thank you for your attention to this important matter, and we will see you in Kansas. We now return you to your previously scheduled program.
Man, we just got back. Golly, I got soaking wet, but man, I did it for y'all, man. Let me wipe this off. Whew. God, it was horrible. Hey, but I did it for y'all, kinfolk, because man, I love you guys again, man. So I really appreciate it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed me getting out there and enduring this rain just to be able to make this footage for y'all, this content for y'all, man. Make this video for y'all. So, and don't forget, kinfolk, man, make sure y'all look for Natty Nights coming Friday. The first Friday of every month, I'm going to try to do it. And the first one is going to be this Friday. So make sure y'all look for that, man. And if y'all want to send me anything, like I said, to be featured on Natty Nights, just go ahead and my P.O. box will be down in the description. So check that out. And like I said, I'm trying to collect patches to go on my vest right here. So let's go ahead and see if we can get that filled up, man. It'd be much appreciated, kinfolk. And y'all can send me anything, man, just letters or whatever, man. I really love enjoying. I really enjoy getting stuff from y'all and reading whatever y'all, you know, any letters or anything y'all send me. So until next time, kinfolk, I appreciate it. Much love. Stay safe. If it's like this, don't go out there and ride. But we'll catch you on the next one, kinfolk. Knuckles out.
Right on the set, silence phones. Action.
So, if you're not following any of these guys, stop it real quick. This is stupid. Greet at the dealership. See, man,
think I'm stupid? Pause it. What are y'all laughing at?
Do it again.
4, 3, 2.
It's April the 7th? Fuck! Shit. Okay. Pause. You can't move forward because it'll cut your head off the green screen.